Are you a grill enthusiast who loves the smoky flavor of charcoal grilled food but needs something portable for camping, tailgating, or beach trips? If yes, then you're in the right place. Finding the perfect portable charcoal grill can be tricky. With so many options on the market, how do you know which one will give you the best grilling experience while being easy to transport? In this video, we're going to dive deep into the top 7 portable charcoal grills that will elevate your outdoor cooking game. Whether you're a seasoned griller or just starting, these grills are designed to make your life easier without compromising on flavor. Kicking off our list is the Weber Smokey Joe 14-inch portable grill, a classic and reliable option for those who need a compact yet efficient grill. Weber is a trusted name in grilling, and this little powerhouse lives up to its reputation. The Smokey Joe is perfect for small gatherings or solo adventures. Despite its compact size, it holds up to 5 burgers at once, making it ideal for quick meals at the beach or a park. The porcelain enameled lid and bowl ensure excellent heat retention and prevent rusting, even after prolonged use. The plated steel cooking grate is durable and easy to clean, which is a huge plus when you're on the go. One of the standout features of the Smokey Joe is its dampers, which allow you to control the temperature inside the grill with ease. Whether you're searing steaks or slow-cooking chicken, this grill gives you precise control over your cooking process. It's also extremely lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry wherever you need it. In our testing, we found that it heats up quickly and maintains consistent heat throughout the cooking process. The assembly is straightforward, and within minutes, you'll be ready to start grilling. If you're looking for an affordable and reliable grill that doesn't take up much space, the Weber Smokey Joe is a fantastic choice. At number 6, we have something a little different: the Masterbuilt electric portable charcoal grill and smoker. This grill combines traditional charcoal grilling with modern electric controls, offering convenience without sacrificing flavor. The standout feature here is its steady temp dial, which allows you to adjust temperatures between 250 degrees Fahrenheit and 500 degrees Fahrenheit with ease. This makes it versatile enough to cook anything from eggs to steaks. The collapsible cart design makes it highly portable while still providing ample cooking space, 200 square inches to be exact. The charcoal mini hopper holds up to 1.5 pounds of briquettes or 1 pound of lump charcoal for up to 4 hours of continuous use. This means less time spent refueling and more time enjoying your food. Plus, with its lockable lid, you can transport it without worrying about ash spills. During our tests, we loved how easy it was to control the temperature, something that can be tricky with traditional charcoal grills. The Masterbuilt also excels in smoking foods thanks to its excellent heat retention and airflow control. If you want a portable grill that doubles as a smoker and offers electric convenience without losing that authentic charcoal flavor, this one is worth considering. 5. Everdure Cube Portable Charcoal Grill. This grill stands out not only for its sleek design but also for its practicality. The Everdure Cube features an integrated storage tray and bamboo prep board right on top of the grill, a unique feature that adds convenience when prepping food outdoors. Despite being compact enough to carry with one hand, it offers a decent cooking surface that's perfect for 2 people. One of its key features is its heat protection shield at the base, allowing you to place it on almost any surface without worrying about heat damage. This makes it ideal for picnics where you might not have access to dedicated grilling areas. In our testing, we found that while it's smaller than some other options on this list, it heats up quickly and distributes heat evenly across its cast iron grates. The Cube is perfect for those who value both form and function. Its minimalist design doesn't sacrifice performance. Coming in at number 4 is the Char-Griller AKORN Kamado Charcoal Grill, which brings Kamado-style grilling into a portable format. Kamado grills are known for their superior heat retention and versatility in both high-heat grilling and low-and slow smoking. The AKORN features a triple-walled steel insulated design that mimics ceramic Kamado grills but without the hefty weight or price tag. It offers an impressive 445 square inches of total cooking area, enough space to cook for a crowd while still being portable enough for tailgating or camping trips. We were particularly impressed by its dual dampers and built-in thermometer that allow precise temperature control, essential when smoking meats over long periods. The cast iron grates provide excellent heat retention and create beautiful sear marks on steaks. In our tests, we found that this grill excels in both high heat searing and maintaining low temperatures for smoking ribs or brisket over several hours. If you want Kamado-style performance in a more affordable and portable package, the AKORN is hard to beat. At number 3 is the PK Grill's Portable Charcoal Barbecue Grill, a true workhorse known for its durability and versatility in both grilling and smoking. Crafted from rust-proof cast aluminum with cast iron cooking surfaces, this grill offers exceptional heat retention and even cooking across its surface area. What sets it apart from other grills is its unique venting system that allows for two-zone cooking, perfect for both direct high-heat grilling and indirect low and slow smoking. During our testing, we found that this grill heats up quickly using minimal charcoal while holding temperature incredibly well over long periods, ideal for smoking meats like ribs or brisket. Its compact size makes it easy to transport but doesn't compromise on functionality. If you're looking for a durable grill that will last you years while offering versatility in cooking styles, the PK Grill's Portable Barbecue Grill is an excellent investment. Narrowly missing out on the top spot at number 2 is another offering from Weber, the Weber Go Anywhere Charcoal Grill. This rectangular-shaped grill lives up to its name by being incredibly easy to transport thanks to its lightweight design and convenient carrying handles. Despite its small size, it offers enough grilling space to cook several burgers or steaks at once, making it perfect for camping trips or picnics. One of our favorite features of this grill is how quickly it heats up while maintaining consistent temperatures throughout cooking sessions. The adjustable dampers give you full control over airflow, so you can easily switch between searing steaks or slow-cooking chicken wings. In our experience using this grill during various outdoor activities like camping trips or beach outings, it performed exceptionally well every time. If portability without sacrificing performance matters most, you'll love what Weber Go Anywhere has got. 1. Cuisinart 14-inch Barbecue Portable Charcoal Grill. This compact grill is perfect for those who want a lightweight and highly portable option without sacrificing performance. Whether you're heading to the beach, tailgating, or just grilling in your backyard, this grill offers an impressive balance of convenience and functionality. The Cuisinart features a 150 square inch chrome-plated cooking grate, which is large enough to grill for a small group. Despite its petite size, it can handle up to 6 burgers or multiple pieces of chicken at once. The firebox is enamel-coated, giving it strength and durability to withstand the elements while ensuring even heat distribution for consistent cooking. One of the standout features of this grill is its dual venting system, which allows for better temperature control. Whether you want to cook low and slow or sear your food at high temperatures, the vents make it easy to adjust airflow and maintain the perfect heat level. Additionally, the lid locks securely in place, making it easy to transport without worrying about spills. During our tests, we found that the Cuisinart 14-inch heats up quickly and retains heat well throughout cooking sessions. Cleanup is also a breeze thanks to the ash catcher below the firebox, which collects debris for easy disposal. If you're looking for a budget-friendly grill that delivers solid performance in a portable package, the Cuisinart 14-inch is an excellent choice. There you have it, the top 7 portable charcoal grills ranked from good to great. Whether you're looking for something ultra-portable like the Cuisinart 14-inch, versatile like PK Grill's offering, or tech-savvy like Masterbuilt's hybrid model, there's something here for everyone.